Hi, Mrs. Lackaboo here. Guys, this lab is for my Rainbow Science class. Lighthouse, hey, representing today's school spirit. We are doing lab number 9 today together. It is our oxidation reaction experiment. If in class today you wanted to go a little slower and try this at home, I made this video for you just for that, okay? So the things we're gonna need is just some water, a little bit of bleach, 2 little empty jars of some kind, like a jelly jar, some tape, I'll tell you why, vitamin C tablet, a spoon to crush it, and some steel wool. Now, if you don't have this, the hardware store has it, but you can also try a little piece of a Brillo pad. Let's experiment and see if that works, all right? So here's what I want you guys to do. In your lab book, I'm modifying the experiment a bit because this way you can do it easily from home. So what I want you guys to do is get some water. You can borrow a tablespoon from the kitchen. Put 2 tablespoons of water into each jar. Okay. All right, that's easy enough, right? 2 tablespoons. Okay, great. Now what I also want you guys to do is we're going to put, this is where you need to be careful. If your parent wants to help you, that's probably best bet. Go ahead and get a little 1/4 of a teaspoon. It's the littlest one you have. See if it's okay to borrow that. Put it in the dishwasher afterwards. So let's get a 1/4 of a teaspoon of bleach and put it into each jar. So it's not very much. Be careful with that. Okay, so let's put that to the side. Now, here's what this is the fun part. Go in, see if you can borrow a tablet of vitamin C. All right, put it on a paper plate, take a big spoon and crush it into a powder. All right, this will make it work a little better for you. All right, so if you do that and you crush it up on your little plate, then you can just fold your plate and dump it into one of your jars. All right, this is where you need your tape, guys. You're gonna write on your jar vitamin C, so we know which one we put the vitamin C in. All right, and the other one you can say no vitamin C. All right, so right now you should have water in both, bleach in both, but crushed vitamin C in one of them. All right, you guys with me? All right, now the next thing is our steel wool. All right, this is what we're gonna see if we can get it to oxidize. It's an iron. That's the main ingredient in our steel wool, okay? So you're gonna pull off a couple of it looks like wiry hair, all right? So they say to rub it a little bit, but be careful because you will get like a little splinter in your hands. So I find that you don't really need to do that too much. So get 2 pieces about the same size and put them into your jars, okay? So you can take a spoon or something to kind of get it in there, mix it in. You can use 2 different spoons. I won't cross-contaminate it, so I'm gonna turn it over and use the other side. So we want our steel wool to get way into that solution, the bleach, water, and in this one, our vitamin C, all right? So you kind of push that in there, and we're gonna let it sit. Now, right now, your observations, you already can tell, of course, the vitamin C one looks a little cloudy because it's the vitamin C is in there. But other than that, the steel wool looks the same right now. So what I want you guys to do is set this down somewhere in your home that's away from things. And in about 20 minutes, come back and see if you see a difference in the color of the liquid or in the steel wool. Then I want you to wait another hour and look again, maybe 4 hours, and keep looking at it. And if you are allowed to, keep it for about 2 days and see if you start to see some color changes. We're trying to see if the vitamin C is doing anything different to the steel wool. We're trying to see if there's oxidation happening. All right, we'll talk about it more later. Hope to hear your comments, and I'm out.